welcome back to All Around Emily, and today we will be learning how to use Remind. It is like a Remind Me app, like on your Google Calendar. It gives you a notification saying, hey, you need to do this, or just for quick assignments or anything like that. So go ahead, get on Remind, and create your account using either your email address or your phone number and create a password, or you can just log into Google if you already have an account. Okay, after you have created your login, you will either get a little page that shows create a class or join a class. And then it will show search for teacher. If you join a class, then it will allow you to put in a code or something from your teacher saying, hey, you're allowed to join the class. But if you're creating a class, you may select a name and then your school, and then create. And then here you will have all kinds of little sections. You can add students and parents, or you can add a teacher that you would like to add to help out with your students in your class. You can also print out step by step for your students how to access the website or the class that you were trying to use. Or you can text 81010 and they will send you instructions. Or you can text at DDF8A66 and it will send you to 81010. My bad. I said that wrong at the first. Or you can, if your teacher already has an email associated with Remind, she can send you an email saying, hey, you can join this. But we're going to put in a random name. And then we're going to do the email, which you always need to verify the student. Which, if your students have an email, it's most likely to be a Gmail, a Yahoo email, or an Appmail. So be checking for that too. Okay, and then you will add your students. And after you have your student added, you can create an assignment or just message the student. You can make a new announcement. I'm not sure if you can create an assignment on this, but you will be able to say hi or whatever else. And I think I already have a class created from the last time that I did this for an assignment. You can either go here and talk to your students or your other teachers, and as you can see, I've created an example to show you that it is very usable and communicative, very easy to use for students. All you have to do is verify it through your email saying that this is your account. You can also access files through this, like if you want your student to see a certain announcement, or that you created a Google Slides or something, or that you created a slides off Canva or Prezi or any of those resources, you may upload that here. And to see the people that's in your class or the teachers, they will most likely be here because it shows the roles of each student. And you can also add the family member as you create your class. You can also customize your settings, and you can change your class avatar with all these fun little gadgets here. You can put the class code as well, and the school, which this was for an assignment, so disregard that please. And you can create a class owner. So you can also create a new class if you like. I'm pretty sure that's all you can do with this assignment. Or not with this assignment, my bad. I just got done doing schoolwork this morning, so forgive me for that. I'm very caught up, by the way. I'm sorry about the delays on these YouTube videos. I've been trying to get YouTube video ideas together and tips and tricks for teachers because I myself know that it's hard to find tools to use in a classroom that's engaging for students because some students get sidetracked easily, and that's understandable. So to create a new announcement, you'll go here. If you do upload or anything, you go to create content, and it shows that you can upload your photo or video, and then file, which is for any other sources you need to upload, or a voice clip. If you're trying to tell the student something really fast or you're in a hurry, you can do that. It also gives you these other activity sites or sources that you may use. You can also use Google Classroom, Google Drive if you're uploading something, OneDrive if you're in college and all of your sources are on there that you need, or you can use any of these other sources. And you can also use Translate if your student speaks another language, or you can press schedule message like today or Wednesday or Friday, and then you can select a time, and then you will type out your message like, hi, how is everyone doing today? And then it will schedule later on that week. So I hope this summarizes everything up on how to use Remind Me, and I hope this was a good introduction for everyone that has never used really any engaging tools for students or teachers in the classroom. I hope this really helped you out. We will be posting more content, hopefully sooner. We're trying to get more YouTube videos posting and flowing soon, so work with me on that. If you have any more ideas or anything else, let me know. I noticed the comments for some of my videos are off, and I'm so sorry about that. I don't know how to get that turned on, but if you have any suggestions and it doesn't let you comment, feel free to email me. My email is on my bio. I will eventually get the comments sorted out. I don't know why it's doing that in the comments. So I hope everyone has a fantastic rest of their day, and see y'all later. Bye bye.